Hey guys, this is Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sorry, I had to think about, I was like, what am I here to talk about? This is another installation of my wax journey so far series. And today is all about tips and tricks, right? This is about things that I have learned that work for me and my home. This may not work for you in your home. You may have to do things a little bit differently. However, these are the things that I have figured out along the way to get the best throw, the best performance out of the wax that I purchased for my home. So if you are interested, then please stay tuned. Okay, so, and I also forgot to mention, in addition to tips and tricks, I'm also going to include my warmer tour in this video. And I kind of have written down like what I want to talk about. So if you see me looking down, that is why. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the amount of wax that I use in order to get the throw that I want in my home. So when I first started out, I was using like less wax, and I wasn't getting the scent throw that I wanted. And for those of you all who have watched my videos, you know that I have always said in my videos, I want my scent to knock me in the face. A background scent is cute, but I like a nice, solid, strong to high throw for wax. That is my preference. So based on that preference, I realized I had to use a little bit more wax. So this is specifically for vendor wax. For Scentsy wax, I use 2 cubes in my warmer. So in my open concept, I have 4 warmers, so I can go through 1 bar in my open concept, and that normally is fine if the scent throws well. Now for vendor wax, I use the equivalent to, and I'm using this Sassy Girl Aroma brittle bar to demonstrate or to show how much I use. For me, I use, let me see if I can get it to focus and quit. There we go. I use 1 whole row. See those 4 cubes? I put all 4 in the warmer. So when I warm my open concept, I can go through a good portion of this brittle. That's what works for me. Now, I have hardwood floors. I have a larger open concept area. But even in the bedrooms, I'm going to use at least 3, if not 4 cubes. Again, this is what works for me. I find I get great throw that way. Some people might only need to use 1 to 2 cubes, but it works great for me. And I have found that since I started using a little bit more wax, I know some people say less is more. I think it depends on the scent. If it's a tub that I've cut into those little pie shapes, I will try 1. Normally I'll do like 1 actual pie shape in each warmer. But for this, I normally do 3 to 4 cubes. So, and it works great for me. So that's the amount of wax that I use. Now let's talk about how I dispose of my wax. See these are called aluminum egg tart molds. And a lot of people use these to cook and make egg tarts in. These are the large ones. I'm going to show you the size. I'm going to see if I can find a link. I will try to remember to put it in the description box below. But if I forget and you want to know, just leave me a comment and I will go and try to look for it for you. I saw this in both the Teddy Bees group and in the Swanky group. Desi, and I believe her name is Jennifer Bob Strickland is her name. Both of them use these a lot, and these are wonderful. So I use these on any of my hot plate warmers, which you'll see in my warmer tour. And then even on the warmers that are like bulb warmers, if it's a harder wax, I will hot dump it into this, let it completely cool, and then I will just pop it right on out. And I had actually already popped out all of my wax. If I hadn't, I would have had one, and I meant to save one, but yeah, I forgot. So, but I just pop it on out, throw it in the trash, and it comes out like a cute little disc. And matter of fact, I'm gonna grab one just to show you what it looks like. Okay, thankfully I was able to grab one really quickly, but I put it in there, it dries, it looks like that. And then I'm able to just loosen the sides and it pops out just like this, and that's how I dispose of it. I don't have to put anything in the freezer, and it works great for me. Now, if it is a softer wax, and when I say softer wax, I'm talking Second and Spruce, any sort of scoops like L3 scoops or scoopable wax scoops, perhaps even Swanky. I don't use this because it's not gonna pop out easily, and that's annoying. What I have found for that is what is called a silicone It's called a silicone cupcake liner. So it's super, see that? It's like that, but these are like oven safe, right? And so for a softer wax, I pour it into this. I wait for it to dry or solidify, and then I just pull that on down. Ta-da! And I dump that. So that's how I dispose of my wax. And then I use a cotton ball to wipe out the actual dish, and I'll clean them every couple of days. And I found that works for me. Not only does it work for me, but I use far less cotton balls. Like, I was annoyed by the amount of cotton balls that I was going through, and I was like, there's gotta be a better way. And so this is what I have come up with. Another tip and trick, y'all, if you have candles that you have used up and you are getting ready to just toss the jar, save it. This, you see this one with this cute top? I got this at a semi-annual sale for like $8. This is a cotton ball holder, and I keep this by my warmers. You'll see that in my warmer tour. Save your candle jar vessels to make as cute cotton ball holders in your rooms near your warmers. And also, if you are a candle crocker, you can save this, and then you can put it in your candle crock, and you can put wax into your candle crock, and you get a very good throw. So I use candle crocks sometimes instead of Scentsy warmers in order to get a great throw for my vendor wax, and I really love it. So that is another tip. Are there any other tips? Oh, the amount of warmers that I have that I use. Oh, I think I have like 11 or 12 warmers. Sometimes if the scent, or if you don't feel like you're getting enough throw, you just may not have enough warmers. When I started my open concept, I had 1 warmer, or I think I had 2, and it wasn't enough. And so I upped it to 4, and now I get the scent throw that I want in all areas of that room. So I have multiple warmers. There are 2 brands of warmers that I love the most for me. Not necessarily for cuteness, like, let's be honest, Scentsy has the cutest warmers. But I don't find that I get the most amazing performance out of them for all of my vendor wax. And so my 2 favorite types of warmers are the Candle Warmers, etc. brand warmers, and also the Julienne hot plate warmers. You will see both of those in my warmer tour. But those are my preferred warmers because they get super hot. They throw really well, and I love them. Okay, I think that's it besides the warmer tour. So with that, I'm gonna say stay tuned for the next little section, and you'll get to see my warmers and how I have everything set up. And yeah, I'll see you on in the next little, can we call it a slide? The next clip. How about that? I'll see you in the next clip. Okay guys, so this is going to be the warmer portion of the video. So we're starting in the living room area. As you can see, this is where I keep my melting basket. And this is what I'm actually melting for the day. It's a Scentsy day. So, but anyway, this is one of the warmers in my living room. This is one of my favorite warmers. It is from Candle Warmers, etc. Then I have, I'm sorry, I need to lower it. I have this is a top from a Homeworks candle. I sometimes like to sit this in here, and y'all already heard me talk about how I utilize both of these in a video. Well, not in a video, earlier in this video. But, and then this is my cute candle holder that keeps my cotton balls, or candle holder. It's an empty candle vessel. So this is just one warmer I have in this area, and then we will come back and I'll show you the other warmers out here. Okay, so this is my other, the other type of warmer that I have in my open concept. It is the Julienne warmers from Amazon. I think most people, like in any vendor wax group that you talk to, will recommend these. It's a hot plate warmer, and I actually use the aluminum egg tart tins inside, because then, let's see if I can do it, I can just lift it up. And this gets really hot, and then once the wax dries, I can just pop it on out. So I have 2 of those in my kitchen area. Okay, so this area is not as well lit as I would like for it to be, because my light bulb actually just went out. My husband's supposed to change it today. But anyway, you'll see the same type of warmer that I have over there in the living room. Just another Candle Warmers, etc. warmer. Like I said, I love these from Open Concept because they get really hot. They work great for vendor wax and for Scentsy for me. And then you'll see my little cotton ball holder. And if you're wondering what these are, I use these, and I should have gotten a couple more, and I might go back and get them. I got them from Hobby Lobby. They're actually placemats, but I love them as like an area to kind of keep like my warmer and everything together on. And they're like $2. So I think they're so cute. They don't work as great as placemats. They kind of fly all over the place, but they're great for that. So I might actually go get a couple more for bedroom area. But anyway, that's pretty much the warmers in the open concept. And so now I will show you the warmers in the bedrooms, bathrooms. Okay, so these are I only have 2 Scentsy warmers that I have like actively plugged up that I'm using. And this is, let me see if I can turn it a little bit. The Sea Star warmer. I actually want to get a couple of more of the, what do you call those things? The warmer stands from Scentsy. I truly love those, but I'm kind of trying to wait till like a party closeout to get them. But this is a Sea Star warmer. And I also have my candle crock from Candle Warmers, etc. in here. I love this candle crock because unlike the ones from Amazon, see if I can show you. See, it has a little red light on it. So if I turn it on, let's see. See, there's an indicator light to let you know that it's on versus when it's off. So I love that. And if I'm warming like Scentsy or a softer wax, like say Second and Spruce or Swanky, I'll use my Scentsy warmer. If I'm using a vendor wax that's harder, like say Southbound or something, I prefer to use my candle crock. So, oh, and y'all see me? Look, that's my little wedding picture back there. Y'all see me looking cute on my wedding day? Anyway, also, you'll see a couple of these. This is just rubbing alcohol because I use this to clean my warmers. And so it's nice to have it in a little spray bottle. I can spray it and then go on about my business. And I use that just to clean out my warmer dishes, so. Okay, similar setup. I'm in the bathroom now. Julienne hot plate warmer. The 2 ways that I use to actually, well, I just have that sitting in that, but what I use to dump my wax, if it's a softer wax that I have to dump out. Pretty simple setup for the bathroom. Okay, and I don't know why it looks like there's not a lot of light here. I think it's just this particular corner because I have on the actual light and the curtains are open. But anyway, this is the warmer I have here. This is the, I forgot what the name of this warmer is, but it came out last fall. And it is a Scentsy warmer. I love it because it does get pretty hot. It's a ceramic warmer. And then I also have a candle crock for vendor wax. And then also, you see my little candle vessel. That's the one good thing about using up these candles. Now I have something that's a cotton ball holder in pretty much all of the rooms. So, okay, so this is the warmer that I have in my daughter's room. It's a, I think it's a llama, which she loves. And then the cotton ball holder. This is also a Candle Warmers, etc. warmer. And I love the Candle Warmers, etc. warmers. That's the name of the company. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them from their website. Walmart sells them. They're normally like 20 to 25 bucks. And this one also gets really hot and does great with both Scentsy and vendor wax. Okay, so just showing you the other warmer that I have here. This is a Julienne hot plate warmer. I had to think about it. It's just a little small one. I like that. I have a similar one just like this in my bedroom, except the indicator light broke or no longer works, which I actually love because it doesn't bother me at night. And then I'll show you the other warmer that I have that I use. And then that'll be it for the warmer tour. Okay, so in the bathroom again, and this is the Scentsy Diamond something warm. Look, I'm terrible with the names, but I'm pretty sure this one is still in the catalog. Martha recommended this one in one of her vlogs, and so I have it, and I do really like it. It gets pretty hot. It does pretty well with vendor wax. It does well with L3. It does well with Swanky, obviously Scentsy, Second and Spruce. I haven't put like super like hard waxes in there, but I do really like that one as well. So I think, yeah, that's pretty much like the type of warmers that I have. But I'll come back and show my face one last time, and that'll be that. Okay, and so this is the little setup on my nightstand. There's my warmer where I dump my wax, and then also I did a shorts about this a while ago, but this is just like where I store wax samples and like nighttime melts. So like you see, I have Frosted Lavender Bash from Knowles. I got my lavender cream puffs in here. Got a K scent that I need to finish, another K scent, and then a bunch of samples. So that's what I keep my wax in by my nightstand. Okay, so I just want to come back. Sorry, I'm chewing gum too. I just want to come back and show my face and say I hope that you guys enjoyed my tips and tricks as well as the warmer tour portion of this video. And with that, if you did enjoy this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this and you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to decide to do so. Also, let me know down in the comments below, what kind of warmers do you use? I'd love to know. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.